got to take all these off. You had a special swivel. Doesn't look like there's any oil. I don't know if you can get it, can you? You have to proper.